like to exclude myself from the breakup. Hindi ko totoo yung third party na allegations. Kung ano man yung naging reason ng breakup po nila, better po na sila na po yung story. Pero hindi po ako part ng breakup. Ayun, hear things lang. Labas si Janela doon. Yeah, of course, yung closeness naman, hindi naman naiiwasan yun. Kasi ang tagal din namin nung shoot ng movie. And may mga hangouts din kami kahit walang work. Kasama yung production ng open endings ng film. So hindi may iwasan na magkaroon ng friendship, makabuo ng friendship sa aming apat. And
May times ba na kayong dalawa lang lumali ba?
yeah, of course. Nakikita naman na din yun online. And kung ano yung nakikita nyo, yun na yun.
Tulong ka ba sa kanya? Diba? She was hurting during the time na
Siyempre, magkasama kami during the filming and while that was happening. So, we were all there for her.
Nag-shoot pa kayo ng kissing scene?
Secret! Yun yung dapat.
basically
May kiss na pa rin daw ba tayo sa movie? Kami? Abangan na lang. Yun yung waiter.
no talaga.
Oo nga. Pero would you have been open kung kunyari sinabi sa inyo you have to do a kissing scene with another woman?
Of course. Oo naman. Kaya naman kami naging actors. Kasi dapat open kami sa mga ganong klaseng roles, ganong klaseng kung hinihingi sa scene, why not? Kung may magandang preparation and